that wonderful introduction. I am here on the scene of the terrible effect of people littering everywhere. As you can see on my back is a pile of trash which was made by responsible villagers. We must know that these trashes may be just a pile now, but will end up being something bigger and something that will affect the earth even more. Right now, we all know that environmentalists all over the world are trying to conserve the earth's natural resources and nature. Oh wait, there is a couple. Let us observe their behavior. Oh. Did you see what they just did? I cannot believe they did that. So, to tell us why we should further protect our environment, we have an environmentalist on the scene with us. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and honor that I introduce to you my role model, my idol, and my inspiration, a senior environmentalist, Miss Chicarera Chichi Chongkuak.
Hello people, we should take care of our environment or we will die at 2012. Thank you, I'm Chichi.
Okay, this was Ferdinand Mira reporting to you what's going on in our environment right now. And thank you for listening. Back to you, Bombi.
Haha, as funny and bright as always. Oh, wait, I'm getting some urgent news right now. There is said to be a suspected murder right now in a private house located in Bruce Island. Let's talk to our reporter stationed there. Wilfred, are you there? Can you hear me?
I hear you. You don't need to shout.
Sorry about that. Anyway, what's going on there?
Oh yes, it is very serious. There has been a murder right now. And according to rumors among the police, it is said that the Prime Minister of Bowman Island is the person inside the house right now.
Oh no, Wilfred. But where are you?
Oh, I'm hiding right now in the building. But for the sake of my news report, I shall get inside. The Prime Minister has been reported to be taken hostage. There has been a sound of gunshot right now. The police are trying to barge in to see if the Prime Minister is... Oh wait! She's coming out now. She has been deeply wounded in the chest. It seems as if someone shot her. She fell on the ground now. The medic is proceeding there as so am I. Oh wait! There's a person exiting the house wearing a hoodie. The police chief has spotted him and is chasing her. Oh, I'm tired. It seems as though the detective in charge, Mr. Pelayo, was unable to catch the suspect. Let's talk to him for the status report. Mr. Pelayo? Mr. Pelayo.
Mind of your please? Let's have secret now.
Please, just a few words.
Yeah, okay.
Pelayo. Now, is the Prime Minister going to survive? The wounds seem pretty bad. What do you think will happen?
Sadly, it seems as though that she will not last long. The Bamanians are furious right now about the incident, and I have no idea how the government will settle another problem like this. We tried our best though, but the killer was too fast for me. But I'll make sure that we catch him or her the next time she comes in our radar.
Anyway, for the report, I'm back here in the building, trying to understand and comprehend all these things that happened just within minutes. Anyway, this was Johnny Fred M. Lamarca, who, for the sake of this news, did unbelievable things today. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Sophia Pelayo reporting from a local residence named Fifth Street. There has been some reports about alien sightings in this house. It has been reported that it only comes out after 4 o'clock and whoever happened to be here has been found as bodies. So, we can conclude that it feeds on humans. Those things
who are lucky to survive will be able to give us a description of what we are suddenly looking for. The students are in pure fear and are currently under the custody of the police for questioning and... Oh, it's not opening! Oh, there. Let's have an interview now. So, we are from KBN. Could you give us some details about the alien?
It was small and had wings, yes, like a dragonfly.
Oh my god, it was so scary.
Yes, she was totally red. And
Yeah.
are we gonna be on TV?
Yeah? Okay. Oh wait! An African secret agent here in the Philippines is going in search for the alien. I will join you too. Hello, can I join you?
Yes, we may. Just be careful and quiet.
Yes, sure, I will. Okay, it's going to be for in just a couple of moments. And the secret agent, who wouldn't tell me his name, and I are going upstairs. Oh, it just turned 4. Let us proceed. Sophia? Sophia, are you there? Come in.
We'll just get back to her later on. Please don't change the channel because we're just going to have a short commercial break. BRB! I swish, you swish, everybody swish. Don't be the last to swish.
Welcome back. For those who just turned on their television, I am Bomin and we are reporting to you the hottest news of the day. Let us go to Yeji for her daily sports news.
Good day to the students in Diliman Preparatory School. The pressure is on. They're here in Diliman Preparatory School for very exciting section competitions are going on in this school for their annual interest. There will be a variety of sports that will include the students' active participation. This event will enrich the players' sportsmanship, and not only that, it will also encourage the students to make new friends from other sections as they interact in various sports. There will be sports such as volleyball, basketball, table tennis, chess, and many others. All the sections are in their best mood and are giving their highest energy to win the game. For me, they are all champions already, but there can only be one winner. Look at this, student. What's your name and what section you're cheering for?
I'm Bruna and I'm cheering for my classmates, the fantastic Kisum Magnatics.
Woo! Go team! I support you! Woo! Not the only one who's super excited for the game. I'm here with one of the participants of Dodgeball Girls, the representative of one Kisambing, Jita. Hello Jita, how are you feeling for the game?
I feel really excited and can't wait to kick some butt.
Are you confident that you will win?
I'm not sure, but let's go Kisumbing!
Thanks Jita. So students, cheer for your favorite section during the Diliman Preparatory School gym. This was Yeti giving you the energy for the day.
Thank you for the awesome energy, Yeti. Maybe I'm going to cheer too. Everyone will be super hyped up. It's about 5, we hear some gossip around here. For our gossip news, let's go
chismis, there has been a rumor saying that a particular person and persons are getting married. What? They first had feelings for each other since grade 6, when they used to be a student of the Naman Preparatory School 6, Nara. It hasn't been official yet, but oh my gosh, there's also humor indicating that a person S likes persons M, J, P, and C at the same time. We haven't heard from her yet, but there's a source saying that it is true. Hope we hear some good news soon. There's also hot chismis about a person whom we cannot mention the name dumping her old boyfriend and finding herself a new one. It seems as though she has found herself one already, because our source just clarified exactly who it was. There's still so many more chismis left, but I have to close up now. One more fact is that the pop star Katy Shake single has topped the Billboard charts all over the world. Its sale rate has been going up and up and up and up ever since it has been released. So let's hear from her live on the studio with her new song, Tandang Star Girl.
No place where the building's really dirtier. Fun, red and wild. There must be something in the mud pile. Sipping RC Coke, laying underneath the coconut tree. Birds break the night, try to creep a little baby. You can travel the world, but nothing comes close to BTS. It's a party without us. You can fall in love. Dang, dang, Sora girls, we're so forgettable. Ugly on the inside and out. Sun cream burns so hot, just like an apricot. Sora girls, chunky fats are on my stomach. Sun cream burns so hot, just like an apricot. Sora girls. Woo! Brian, what a song! Just absolute perfection. To close up our program for today, let's have our hot weather woman, Zina Vasquez. So Zina, is it going to be sunny today?
As you can see, Boom, it's a major no-no. There's a storm named Pepe. What a name you have given, Pag-asa. Well, classes are suspended, kids, because you can stay in your house because you will get seriously wet. Look at me. But tomorrow is gonna be super sunny. So, if I were you, I'm gonna pack my bikinis right now and go to the beach. What kind of bikini will I bring? Well, anyway, next week it's gonna be snowing for the Philippines, in the Philippines for the first time. So, I'm gonna be excited for that because it's my first time! And they say it's already global warming. Huh. No, it's not. It's gonna get a sexy tan like me, and I'm so hot. Why did I say that? It's very obvious. Thank you. So, I'm Darna Vasquez, reporting to you as your weather forecaster for today. Back to
Zina, thanks for the news. It's time to wrap up the show. Hope you enjoyed listening to our news. Once again, this is Bowman from Cute Broadcasting Network, reporting to you the hottest news of the day, starting from environment to weather. Bye!